ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Good morning students. Today our topic is alcohols, continuation, preparation methods of alcohols. Preparation methods. Preparation methods of alcohols. Preparation methods of alcohols. First method, from alkenes. Preparation of alcohols from alkenes. Right, ethene, CH2 double bond CH2, ethene hydrolyzed with water in the presence of acid like H2SO4, H plus. It gives ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2OH. This is ethyl alcohol. It is ethene. Okay, ethene is converted into ethyl alcohol on treatment with water in the presence of acidic medium. In this, H plus and OH minus, H plus attached to first carbon and OH group attached to second carbon, then we are getting ethyl alcohol. So for this reaction mechanism, most important mechanism, ethene CH2 double bond CH2, ethene reacts with acid like H plus. What happen? These pi bonded electrons are donated to electron deficient proton. It gives CH3 CH2 plus carbocation formation. This is carbocation. Okay, carbocation formation. Now for this carbocation, addition of water molecule H2O, addition of water. Now here water, it is electron rich, so therefore it donates electron pair towards carbocation. It gives CH3, here CH2OH2. Loss of one pair of electrons gets positive charge. Okay, this is oxonium ion. Oxygen with positive charge, oxonium ion, less stable. Oxonium ion less stable. Why? Because here O minus is more stable than O plus. Oxygen with negative charge more stable, oxygen with positive charge less stable. According to resonance rules, more electronegative atom carries negative charge, more stable. If more electronegative atom carries positive charge, less stable. So therefore this is less stable compound. So immediately it loses the proton. Okay, minus H plus. Then remaining CH3 CH2 OH group. Okay, this is ethyl alcohol. Okay, initial compound is ethene and final compound is ethyl alcohol. Okay, ethene is converted into ethyl alcohol. Initially H plus is added to the reaction. Finally H plus is eliminated. That means in this reaction acid acts as a catalyst. Catalyst means which is increases the rate of reaction but not involved in a chemical reaction. Catalyst is nothing but it alters the rate of reaction. Especially in this reaction, it is enhances the rate of reaction or increases the rate of reaction. Okay, once again, alkene on treatment with water in the presence of acid to produce ethyl alcohol. For this reaction mechanism, ethene reacts with H plus, it gives carbocation intermediate. This carbocation reacts with water, means electron rich, it donates electron pair to electron deficient carbon to form oxonium ion. Oxonium ion is less stable, therefore it is immediately converted into alcohol by releasing the proton. In this reaction, H plus is nothing but H2SO4. Here H2SO4 acts as a catalyst. In this reaction, sulfuric acid acts as a catalyst. Right. And one more example for the preparation of alcohols. For example, if you take propene with water in the presence of acid. Propene with water, CH3 CH double bond CH2, propene plus water H2O. It gives CH3 CHOH and CH3. Common name is isopropyl alcohol. Common name isopropyl alcohol. IUPAC name 2-propanol. IUPAC 2-propanol. What happened here? H and OH. H plus OH minus. Negative part is added to less number of hydrogens. Positive part is added to more number of hydrogens. In this, Markovnikov rule is follows. When unsymmetrical alkene reacts with unsymmetrical reagent, negative part of reagent is added to less number of hydrogens containing unsaturated carbon, and positive part of the reagent is added to more number of hydrogens containing unsaturated carbon atom. Here unsaturated carbon is sp2 carbon. These two are unsaturation. Here sp3 carbon is saturated carbon. Okay, so it follows Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule. Okay, what is Markovnikov's rule? When unsymmetrical alkene reacts with unsymmetrical reagent, positive part of reagent is added to more number of hydrogens containing sp2 carbon. Negative part of reagent is added to less number of hydrogens containing sp2 carbon is called as Markovnikov rule. So here carbon with sp2, less number of hydrogens, negative part is added, negative part addition, sp2 carbon with hydrogens, more number of hydrogens, positive part of reagent is added. Negative part of reagent, this is negative part of reagent, it is positive part of reagent. sp2 carbon means this is unsaturated carbon. Okay, unsaturated carbon. This is indicates Markovnikov rule. What is Markovnikov rule? when unsymmetrical alkene reacts with unsymmetrical reagent, negative part of reagent is added to less number of hydrogens containing unsaturated carbon or sp2 carbon, either sp2 or sp, both are unsaturation, sp2 or sp. Positive part of reagent is added to more number of hydrogens containing unsaturated carbon, either sp2 or sp. Okay, this is Markovnikov's rule. Preparation of alcohols from alkenes. This is method number 1. Next, second method, preparation of alcohols. Right, preparation of alcohols by next method, second method, from alkyl halides. Preparation of alcohols from alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. Alkyl halide general formula or X. It is on treatment with aqueous sodium hydroxide NaOH. Alkyl halides on treatment with aqueous NaOH are X minus or OH minus. X minus is replaced by OH minus. This is called as nucleophilic substitution reactions, NPS, nucleophilic substitution reaction to produce alcohols. Okay, this is alcohol. It is a alkyl halide. Alkyl halide to alcohol preparation. For example, your R group is methyl group, X is chlorine, methyl chloride. On treatment with aqueous sodium hydroxide, what happened? A removal of sodium chloride, chlorine is replaced by OH group, we are getting methyl alcohol plus sodium chloride, NaCl. Simply one more example, ethyl chloride is taken, which is on treatment with aqueous sodium hydroxide. Nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place to form ethyl alcohol, NaCl. CH3 CH2OH, its name is ethyl alcohol. CH3OH, methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Preparation of alcohols from alkyl halides. Okay, this is second method. And third method is preparation of alcohols third method, from aldehydes, ketones, from aldehydes, ketones, acids and esters. Preparation of alcohols from aldehydes, ketones, acids, esters. Okay, aldehyde or C double bond OH. This is aldehyde. Ketone or C double bond OR. Ketone. Acids or COOH. Acids. Ester or COOC2H5. Or if you take general R prime, ester. Aldehyde functional group, ketone functional group, acid functional group, ester functional group. Okay, aldehydes reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. Aldehydes reduced to alcohols or CH2OH. So this OH group carbon attached to only one carbon, so it is a primary alcohol. Ketone is also reduced with lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride, as you are like. Ketone is reduced to secondary alcohol or CHOR. This is secondary alcohol. Okay. Acids also reduces with lithium aluminum hydride LiAlH4 or strong reducing agent, that is Hi by phosphorus. Okay, Hi by phosphorus, or without Hi by phosphorus you have to reduce just RCOH, carboxylic acid, on treatment with the same reducing agent. It is also reduced to primary alcohol or CH2OH, primary alcohol. Ester is reduces in the presence of sodium ethyl alcohol or lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride is also same function, but using sodium and ethyl alcohol, it is the named reaction. It is converted into alcohols or CH2OH plus R prime OH. Okay, by using sodium ethyl alcohol, the name of this reaction is Bouillet-Blanc reduction. Bouillet-Blanc reduction, named reaction. Ester reduces to alcohols in the presence of sodium ethyl alcohol is called as Bouillet-Blanc reduction. Okay, so in all these compounds we can prepare alcohols. Aldehydes reduction, primary alcohols formation. Ketones reduction, secondary alcohols formation. Acids reduction, primary alcohols formation. Esters reduction, alcohols formation. Now, example, acetaldehyde, CH3CHO, acetaldehyde, in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, LiAlH4. Aldehyde is reduced to alcohol, CH3CH2OH, primary alcohol. Ketone, CH3COCH3, ketone. Ketone with lithium aluminum hydride, it is reduced to secondary alcohol, CH3CHOH, CH3. Acid, acetic acid, CH3COOH, acetic acid reduced to ethyl alcohol formation, CH3CH2OH. Ester, CH3COOC2H5, ethyl estate. Ethyl estate reduction, it gives ethyl alcohol, CH3CH2OH, ethyl alcohol. Now here also if we are taking methyl, different alcohols, it is converted into alcohol. Okay, methyl alcohol, CH3OH, in the presence of reducing agents. So aldehydes produces primary alcohols, ketones produces secondary alcohols, acids produced by primary alcohols, esters are produced by primary alcohols. Okay, so this is the preparation method of alcohols from aldehydes, ketones, acids and esters. Right, then go for, and one more important method is preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. Preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. This is very important method. Next method is from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. Preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. This is very important method for the preparation of alcohols. Very important for NEET and JEE. Very important. Grignard reagent is alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide is known as Grignard reagent, RMGX. Right, now Grignard reagent, GR, Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent with formaldehyde. Grignard reagent on treatment with formaldehyde and followed by hydrolysis, it is produced by primary alcohol. Grignard reagent reacts with any other aldehyde except formaldehyde and followed by hydrolysis, secondary alcohols formation. Grignard reagent with ketone or CO or ketone tertiary alcohols formation. Okay, three types of alcohols are produced by using Grignard reagent. Okay, this is very important, students. What is Grignard reagent? Alkyl magnesium halide is known as Grignard reagent. By using this Grignard reagent, we can prepare primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, tertiary alcohols. So how to prepare Grignard reagent with formaldehyde and followed by hydrolysis reaction to produce primary alcohols? If Grignard reagent reacts with other aldehyde except formaldehyde, if you take any aldehyde except formaldehyde, secondary alcohols formation. Grignard reagent with ketone, tertiary alcohols formation. So how to write the reactions? Grignard reagent is RMGX, that is CH3MgCl. Okay, RMGX, or we can write general notations, general equations. RMGX, alkyl magnesium halide, RMGX with formaldehyde, HC double bond OH, formaldehyde. Okay, aldehyde, ketone. Aldehydes and ketones undergoes nucleophilic addition reactions. Okay, carbonyl compounds is nothing but aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones undergoes nucleophilic addition reactions. Okay, nucleophilic addition reactions are characteristic properties of aldehydes and ketones. So here Grignard reagent with formaldehyde, here R is the minus Mg plus. So this negative part of R group is addition to the carbonylic carbon, nucleophilic addition. So this pi bonded electron shifted to oxygen. Therefore, here oxygen is attracted by magnesium Mg. So R group attached to carbon, here two hydrogens are there, hydrogen and hydrogen. Oxygen attached to MgX, OMgX. Now further hydrolysis. Okay, further hydrolysis, here breakage of the bond. Hydrolysis means water, H2O. This is RCH2OH, alcohol formation, RCH2OH alcohol, and byproduct is MgXOH. This is primary alcohol formation. Grignard reagent, formaldehyde, primary alcohol formation. Okay, this is formaldehyde. RMgX is Grignard reagent. If your alkyl group is replaced by methyl, ethyl alcohol formation. If your ethyl group is taken, propyl alcohol formation. Okay, so in this method, at least minimum 2 carbons. 1 carbon supplies from formaldehyde and 1 carbon supplies from Grignard reagent. So at least minimum 2 carbons alcohol is obtained. But in this method, methyl alcohol cannot be prepared. By using this method, methyl alcohol cannot be prepared. Yes, and another one, Grignard reagent, RMgX, Grignard reagent plus other aldehyde, RC double bond OH, other aldehyde, any other aldehyde, R group attached to the carbon and O group attached to magnesium. So nucleophilic addition, then it becomes R, C, here H, here R group, next O, MgX. Here hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means breakage of the bond, addition of hydrogen and OH group. So it gives secondary alcohol, here R group, hydrogen and OH. This is secondary alcohol formation. Okay, secondary alcohol formation. Byproduct is MgXOH. This is other aldehyde, except formaldehyde, other aldehydes. Next, Grignard reagent, RMgX with ketone, RCOR ketone. Same nucleophilic addition reaction takes place. Here R group, this is Mg, it gives RCRR alkyl group. Next OMgX. Further hydrolysis, H2O. Here breakage of the bond, H and OH. Here it gives R, C, R, R and OH, tertiary alcohol plus MgXOH. Okay, this is tertiary alcohol formation. Okay, Grignard reagent, formaldehyde, primary alcohol formation. Grignard reagent, other aldehydes, secondary alcohol formation. Grignard reagent, ketone, tertiary alcohol formation. The mechanism. Grignard reagent, formaldehyde, addition product, further hydrolysis, primary alcohol formation. Grignard reagent, other aldehyde, secondary alcohol formation. Grignard reagent with ketone, tertiary alcohols formation. Yes, here two important questions are there. Question 1, RMGX alkyl magnesium halide on treatment with epoxide CH2 oxygen, this is called as epoxide, and followed by hydrolysis, or here some X compound is obtained, X further hydrolysis, Y compounds are obtained. What are X and Y? And one more question, cyclopentanone with RMGX, it is also produced by X and further hydrolyzed with water, here Y. What are X and Y? Yes, here Grignard reagent RMGX, R group is the negative part, this negative part is added to the epoxide carbon, as a result ring cleavage takes place. Ring cleavage takes place. Here O minus. This O minus attached to MgX. So therefore R, here CH2, CH2, next OMgX. OMgX. Okay, this is the X compound. Here X is R CH2OMgX. Next, hydrolysis means breakage of this one H here OH. Now Y is R CH2OH. Okay, CH2OH. This is alcohol. It is also primary alcohol preparation. So Grignard reagent on treatment with epoxide to form X compound. X is RCH2CH2OMgX. Further hydrolysis Y compound. Here Y compound is primary alcohol. Now in this reaction, 2 carbons are supplied from epoxide and 1 carbon supplied from RMgX minimum at least CH3MgX, methyl magnesium halide, 1 carbon. Grignard reagent, it produces 1 carbon. Here it is produced by 2 carbons, 2 plus 1, 3 carbons. So 3 carbons primary alcohol is obtained at least minimum, but not methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. Okay, CH3OH methyl alcohol and C2H5OH ethyl alcohol. These 2 alcohols cannot be prepared by using epoxide. Why? Because epoxide at least supplies 2 carbons and minimum 1 carbon obtained from Grignard reagent. So total 3 carbons. 3 carbons primary alcohol is obtained, but not single carbon and 2 carbons alcohols. So therefore, in this reaction we can prepare more than 3 and more than 3 carbons alcohols, but not 2 carbon alcohols and 1 carbon alcohol like methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol cannot be prepared. Yes. What happened here? This is cyclic ketone, cyclopentanone with Grignard reagent. What happened here? Negative part is addition to the carbonylic carbon. Now this O minus attached to magnesium. Intermediate compound is intermediate compound. Here OMgX, OMgX and R group is attached to this carbonylic carbon. This is carbonylic carbon. And further hydrolysis, what happened? Breakage of the bond H and OH. So therefore, here the compound obtained is, in this case, here OH group and alcohol. Okay, so this carbon is attached to OH group carbon attached to 1, 2, 3 carbons. Therefore, this is cyclic tertiary alcohol. Okay, what is the difference between epoxide and cyclopentanone? If Grignard reagent is added to cyclic ketone, ring cleavage does not take place. Okay, ring retains same. So only ketonic functional group, carbonylic group is participate in the nucleophilic addition and followed by hydrolysis it produces tertiary alcohols. Formaldehyde primary alcohols, other aldehydes secondary alcohols and ketones tertiary alcohols. And another method of alcohols, one more method, from aliphatic primary amines. From aliphatic primary amines. Next method, from aliphatic primary amines. From aliphatic primary amines. General equation RNH2. NH2 group containing compounds are primary amines. This primary amine on treatment with NaNO2 plus HCl at 0 to 5 degree centigrade temperature. Primary amines on treatment with NaNO2, sodium nitrite, HCl at 0 to 5 degree centigrade temperature, it gives diazonium ion or N triple bond N plus. Okay, this is diazonium ion. This diazonium ion is unstable, therefore immediately it is produced by carbocation R plus and N2, liberation of nitrogen gas. This R plus hydrolyzed with water HOH. This OH group is attached to alkyl, so it gives alcohol formation ROH. Okay, N-linked diazonium ion formation is called as diazotization. Diazotization process. Okay, what is mean by diazotization? Primary amines on treatment with sodium nitrate HCl at 0 to 5 degree centigrade temperature to produce diazonium salt or diazonium ion. This process is called as diazotization. Now in this process R plus formation, further hydrolysis, alcohols are obtained. This is preparation of alcohols from aliphatic primary amides. And one more method from molasses. From molasses. From molasses formula C12H22O11. Okay, in the presence of invertase enzyme, then this molasses is converted into glucose C6H12O6 and also fructose C6H12O6. Glucose and fructose both are obtained. Now further it is on treatment with zymase enzyme. Glucose is converted into ethyl alcohol C2H5OH and liberation of carbon dioxide. So this is ethyl alcohol formation. So alcohols are obtained from aliphatic primary amines and also molasses.